Let me ask you something bold. What if I told you your future success isn't determined by luck, money, or connections, but by 6 things you do every day? If you master these 6 areas, you won't just stand out, you'll be unstoppable. But if you ignore them, even your greatest potential will remain locked inside you, unused. This isn't just another message. It's a blueprint for anyone who refuses to live beneath their calling. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear could be the exact shift your life needs right now. Your mindset is the steering wheel of your life. It decides where you go, how far you travel, and whether you ever arrive. Every decision, every reaction, and every response starts in the mind. If your thinking is small, your life will be small. If it's rooted in fear, you'll always find a reason to stop. But if your thoughts are anchored in vision, strength, and belief, you'll find the courage to rise, fight, and keep going even when the odds are stacked against you. You can't transform your life without transforming your mind. Too many people try to build a new future with an old mindset, and it never works. You can't step into something greater while clinging to limiting belief. Trying to grow while thinking only about survival is like pouring new wine into old wineskins. It will burst under the pressure of expansion. Every day, your mind is either your greatest asset or your worst enemy. Feed it with wisdom, truth, and new perspectives. Challenge the lies you've believed for too long, like I'm not enough, it's too late, or I can't do it. Those aren't facts. They're fear dressed as logic, and fear is a liar. Train your mind like you train your body, and you'll see results. More peace, more clarity, and bolder decisions. But it takes effort, consistency, and a commitment to growth over comfort. Your character is the invisible force that determines the quality and longevity of your success. You can be skilled, talented, and brilliant, but if your character is weak, everything you build will eventually collapse. Gifts can open doors, but only character keeps you in the room. True character is revealed in the hidden moments, the choices you make when no one is watching, the discipline you keep when there's no applause. In a world obsessed with image, it's tempting to focus on appearances, but image fades, talent can be copied, and skill can be taught. Character must be built. It's formed in the quiet, in the hard decisions between what's easy and what's right. Strong character makes you trustworthy, dependable, and consistent. It keeps your values intact when compromise is more convenient, and it helps you stay grounded in success and hopeful in failure. But character isn't fixed. It's either growing or decaying. Tend to it daily like a garden. Pull the weeds of pride and dishonesty, and water the seeds of integrity, humility, and discipline. Reflect on your motives, own your mistakes, forgive when wronged. This is the foundation of every lasting relationship, every true leader, and every legacy worth leaving. Discipline is the silent architect of every great life, the structure that keeps your dreams standing when storms of distraction and laziness hit. Without it, even the brightest vision will fade. Discipline isn't perfection. It's consistency. It's choosing the future you want over the comfort you feel right now. The easy road is always calling. Skip the workout, hit snooze, delay your goals. But discipline says, do it anyway. Every choice you make when no one is forcing you shapes your future. It's the difference between talking about your dreams and living them. Motivation is fleeting. Discipline carries you when motivation runs out. Real power is found in the days when you don't feel like it but show up anyway. That's when greatness is forged. Look at any area of life where you're struggling. Health, finances, relationships. And you'll often find a discipline problem at the root. The good news, that means it can change. Decide to lead yourself well, because when you lead yourself, everything else follows. Over time, discipline becomes who you are, not something you do occasionally, but a lifestyle that makes excellence your standard. Your ability to communicate is one of the most powerful tools you'll ever have. It's not just about talking. It's about connecting, influencing, and inspiring. Every word you speak builds a bridge or a wall. People respond not just to your words, but to how you say them. Your tone, timing, and body language. A strong message delivered poorly loses its impact, but a simple truth delivered with clarity can change lives. The best communicators listen more than they speak, understand before they respond, and speak with intention, not confusion. Communication reflects the state of your mind. If your thoughts are chaotic, your words will be too. But if your heart is clear and your intentions are pure, your words will carry peace and strength. Great communicators aren't born. They are made through listening, observing, and practicing. They speak to impact, not impress, and they choose words that build, not break. Relationships shape you more than you realize. The people you walk with will determine how far you go, how strong you stand, and how clearly you see. Every relationship either waters your purpose or drains it. No one succeeds alone. Healthy, intentional relationships lift you higher, while the wrong ones plant seeds of fear, doubt, and complacency. Not all relationships are meant to last. Some were only for a season. Growth requires pruning, letting go of what no longer aligns with your future, and prioritizing the ones that do. Relationships require intentional effort, presence, forgiveness, shared values, and honesty. And remember, your relationship with yourself sets the standard for how others treat you. Speak to yourself with kindness, honor your boundaries, and value your worth. In the end, you won't remember the money or titles. You'll remember the people who stayed when life was hard. Time is the most valuable currency you have. You can make back money, but never time. Every second is a seed, and how you spend it determines the harvest you'll reap. Successful people don't have more hours. They use them better. Without intention, your time will be stolen by distractions, false urgencies, and wasted opportunities. Guard your time like treasure. Plan your days, protect your priorities, and say no to what doesn't serve your purpose. Focus requires eliminating noise and creating routines that push you forward. Time management isn't just about productivity, it's about life stewardship. When you win over your time, you win in every area of life. Silence is a powerful builder. In a world obsessed with broadcasting every move, there's unmatched strength in building quietly. Talking too soon invites doubt, distraction, and discouragement. Growth needs roots before it faces the wind. The work that transforms you often happens when no one is watching. Early mornings, late nights, and unglamorous effort. The truly committed don't work for applause. They work for mastery. Build in silence, let your results speak, and stay committed even when the process feels slow. Discipline is the bridge between where you are and where you're going. It's not glamorous, but it's everything. Over time, consistent small choices will shape a life you're proud of. Finally, growth requires leaving your comfort zone. Discomfort is where transformation begins. Fear of failure holds many back, but failure is a teacher, not an enemy. Every challenge, setback, and mistake is an opportunity to rise higher. The most successful people aren't fearless. They act in spite of fear and stay committed for the long haul. They understand that shortcuts lead to shallow victories, while patient, consistent effort builds lasting success. Progress is built on small steps taken daily, even when they feel insignificant. Trust the process, stay consistent, and protect your focus. Your journey isn't about perfection, it's about perseverance. Every effort you make today is shaping the future you desire.